Hello and welcome back to a non-standard video. Let's see what we can do here. I don't know, something. Date today. It's my wife's birthday today. I took her to Portland last weekend, uh, but I was gonna have a sub, but then we have snow day instead. And a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs. Now, two pairs is misleading. Two pairs is a total of four. See, look, two pairs, but four sides. Can I erase this stuff? What is going on? That is not what I wanted. Whatever. Two pairs of parallel sides. That's the deal with parallelograms. They're parallel. Indeed, the sides are, which is fascinating. Because if you extend these, you know how we've been doing parallel lines cut by a transversal? Well, if you extend these, look at this. Two parallel lines and a transversal and another transversal and another pair of parallel lines with two more transversals. They're all parallel lines and transversals. It's amazing. Dude, this is a lot of fun. I'm just gonna use a symbol for parallel. What else? Opposite sides are congruye in the Latin. Opposite angles are congruent. Man, my handwriting is amazing when I'm writing with the mouse. I should get some sort of tablet. Consecutive angles. Now this is interesting because this is a transversal and these are parallel. These are same side interior and same side interior are supplementary. So it doesn't matter which two you pick, right? Two in a row. So consecutive means two in a row. So one here and one here. Those. Oh, can you guys see my little pen? Hopefully you see something. I've never done this before. Anyway, any two corners that are next to each other along a side are supplementary. I'm not going to write it. The diagonals split each other in half. See this? This side and this side. Igualmente. How do I get... Oh, hello. Plot twist. So the mathy word for split is bisect each other. That's kind of nice. That'll come in handy later. Find each measure. Find AB. Well, it's the same as the other side, so 10. Specifically, AB equals 10. Remember, AB is a number. It's like X or Y. But in geometry, we use two letters to say the distance between. You guys know that. What's the measure of angle D? Well, I don't know. Is it supplementary with this side? Yes, it is. 70. Measure angle de equalmente 70 degrees. What else is going on? Okay, this means parallelogram, I'm pretty sure. Because this won't work unless we know this is a parallelogram. Do we know it's a parallelogram? Nothing here tells us a parallelogram, just this. So we're going to rock with it. ML is 12. Should I let you guys work these? You guys know how to do this yet? I'll let you do that one. Measure of LPM. LPM? Is that a trick? They're trying to trick us? This little thing? Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, this is kind of an interesting factoid. This is remember, this is a part of a bigger parallel lines thing. Here's the transversal. Okay, that's ugly. But they told us this is 62. This is opposite interior. Opposite interior are congruent. If you don't like that, you go vertical angle here and then corresponding angle up to here. Oh boy, everything's a mess. But anyway, that means 62. All right. I'm going to let you figure out the rest of those, and if there's any that are too difficult, that's perfect opportunity to ask a question. Um, I will speak briefly about Qn. Remember, the diagonals are bisected, so Qn is the same as over here. All right, that's enough hints. Oh, here we finally, CDF is a parallelogram. Find each measure. CD. Well, we know CD is the same as EF, so that means 4 dub plus 8 has to be equal to, not Z, whatever, that's equal sign, dudes and dudettes. 5W and everyone. That's an equal sign. Hopefully the sound is coming through. Every parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Yes. True. Every quadrilateral is a parallelogram. False. Whenever you say something is false, it's nice to provide a counterfactual. There. This is a four-sided non-parallelogram. I mean, yeah, because this side's not parallel to that side. All angles of a parallelogram are going to... No. Only squares and rectangles. Not any parallelogram. Opposite angles are congruent, but not these. Look, these are way bigger. Yeah. All sides of a parallelogram. No. Only squares, which are parallelograms. In parallelograms, what? Oh, I see. They're testing our ability to understand the name. So R, remember these are in order. R, S, T, U. We don't know the lengths of the sides, but we do know the order. So RS is parallel to TU, and look look at this little segment sign they have up here. They need to learn how to use a computer. That is really sloppy typography or symbology or whatever. I don't know. But anyway, it's true that RS is parallel to TU. Look, they're across from each other. I think we're supposed to be saying true, but I like yes. In parallelogram ABCD, if measure of angle A is 50, then the measure of angle C is 130. No, A and C would be opposite each other. They would be identical. A, B, C, and opposite are identical. So this is false. Consecutive are supplementary. So B is 130 and D is 130, but C is not. C is 50. Parallelogram XW YZ. You're gonna make me draw this again. They trying to trick me? X dubs Y Z XY. XY is not even a side. Oh, is congruent to WZ? This only in rectangles. So they are talking about XY and WZ, which are the diagonals. The diagonals are not the same size. They bisect each other. They bisect, but they're not congruent unless it is a rectangle, which doesn't say it's a rectangle. False. Only OR, only rectangles. Hope you have your sound on. In ABCD, AC and BD bisect each other. That is true. Those are the diagonals. If you don't believe me, draw the picture. All right, I'm gonna let you do these. Figure that out. Okay, let's do one of these real quick. Find the values of X and Y. Okay, here's Y. There's X. But these are parallelograms, right? Parallelogram with diagonals. So this and this are the same measure because they've been bisected by this. So 4y minus 2 equals 22. Or if you like to think of it as the whole thing, there's two ways to describe the whole thing. 8y minus 4 equals, well, this side doubled would be 44. But these, you can divide both sides by 2. These are the same equation. Pretty cool. Solve either one. Solve both. All right, have fun with it. Cammy it up. Let me know what you think of the new format.